Welcome to SkaiyTV. In Psalm 119 verse 105, it says, "Thy word is a lamp unto my feet, and a light unto my path." And also in Psalm 119 verse 130, the Bible says, "The entrance of the word giveth light, and giveth understanding to the simple." It is our prayer that this word of God will bring light to you and your family, and also open up your spiritual eyes to see the unfolding mysteries of the kingdom of God. For great is the mystery of godliness. God is still in the business of healing, salvation and miracles, setting the captives free. As you listen to these messages from God's anointed servant, we hope that you experience the supernatural touch and transformation. SkaiyTV is here to bring you the gospel, news, revival, training, and lots more. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content. God bless.